Hey, good afternoon. You're looking at a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. This turquoise blue is simply called Thunderbird blue. Probably the most exciting color of the model. This car is a super low, 21,000 miles car, all factory original paint. Up for sale if you're interested, 810-691-2664. Got a jack under the car, gonna go through it. About 31,500 of these cars were produced. They built them from 2002 down to 2005. Production shrank every year from the onset, and they would eventually cancel the line. This car has spent its life inside a garage. The front and rear suspension both have original crayon marks on them. Stainless steel exhaust is in great shape. Five-speed automatic. Nothing much to talk about or write home about on the underside of the car. No frame rail compression front or rear. Of course, if that would have happened, there would be non-factory paint readings, which is not the case. I've got still photos all the way around the vehicle. My gauge is not communicating with me today. "17-inch chrome-plated aluminum wheels." There we go. I had to shut it off and turn it back on. 6.5, 6.6. Those readings exist all around the car. The wheels could stand to be cleaned up. I cleaned off one spoke right there just to give the onlooker an idea with what a little wax will do. Michelin Pilot Sports 2 3550 ZR17s. Other than a few small random scratches and a few little paint nicks, really nothing to discuss. There's one very small door ding right in here that you probably won't even see on this video. No major bullets in the windshield, a couple little stone specks. You know, they're technically chips. Right there is one of them. Pencil lead size. So the body's very clean. And we have a small door ding right here. There's a few small hairline scratches. Here's one that probably happened when the top was being put on and off the vehicle. It's got the soft top and the hard top option. A couple little hairline scratches. I actually waxed one off with my wax rag and some wax, so I don't think they're going to stay. Trunk is very clean, all original equipment in it. Love the color combination on this interior. Car's never been smoked in. Proper VIN sticker. Door corners super clean. Jams clean. Air conditioning's blowing cold. The tires have less than 1,000 miles on them. Original books present. 21,281. The trunk trim kit so this video would just go a little smoother. Covers up there in the garage. Unused spare rear mount battery, and there's your relay panel. Original VIN stickers present. This Spot welds all easily visible. Exhaust is in great shape. Still photos will show all the original factory brand marks present. Oil's clean and fuller, was just changed in the last 500 miles. No structural rust to speak of. We have the original brand marks in various locations. Nothing's been done to the car. Shorter than normal video because there isn't much to discuss. To avoid that noise. And to avoid breaking the law. I operated the power top button just enough to hear some whining going on. We didn't remove the hardtop today. The convertible top is in excellent shape. Speedometer says it'll do 160. Let's see. We get to the 60 part anyway. I'm on a country 2-track here in Michigan today. When the vehicle was in for service just recently, they pulled the wheels, looked at the brakes. The car still has original brakes on it, and plenty of tread. Well, I guess you don't have tread on brake pads, do you? Plenty of meat on the bone. Jam the pedal on up here in just a second when I turn around. And no chop to the steering wheel. Car runs good, the air is cold, power locks are working. Everything's been serviced, everything works. 5-speed shiftable automatic. Ford Bordeaux, I think, is the tranny. There's fourth. Up into passing gear here one more time. If you'd like to see this one parked in your garage, give me a call, 810-691-2664.
All kind of other problems, and we got to
better shot of it in the full sunshine. Metallic seafoam turquoise is your Ford Blue. Sure is pretty. The folks that own the car are close to 80 years old, so it hasn't been driven harshly. It's a nice looking ride. Thanks again. Thanks for riding along. If you're interested, give me a call. Have a great day.